So it's the last day.
The last day. That was a great vacation.
What was your favorite part?
I think the rainforest.
Day 3?
The rainforest is a lot of nature and just nature brings just energy, like the trees. That was beautiful. The natural water. That moved me the most. And I guess because I'm 30 now, but when I was younger, I think Old San Juan would have moved me the most, but
Gotcha.
the nature and the water, that was amazing. That was really amazing. What about you?
You peed in a natural river?
No.
Me neither.
I know you stuck your whole foot in the water.
Oh, God. So Brody, what was your favorite part about vacation?
So my favorite part about vacation was hanging out with you guys
Oh,
and going to the pool.
going in the pool?
I just like going to the pool, but the beach, I don't like going to the beach because it never stops.
It never stops.
Yeah, look, all the way over there, it stops.
What's your favorite part of vacation?
Okay.
Yeah.
The sand, that's your favorite part?
Like, let me open it.
What about the rainforest? You like the rainforest?
Uh-huh.
Oh, you like the pool?
Yes.
So what's your favorite? The sand?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part about vacation?
What?
What was your favorite part about vacation?
When we get to go to the pool.
The pool? You like the pool too? Your brother said the same thing.
I like most everything.
What about the rainforest? You like the rainforest?
Yes.
Old San Juan?
Yes.
But the pool was your favorite?
Yes.
Okay. What was your favorite part about vacation? The food? Hmm?
So what you like about the trip, babe?
I'm gonna give you an organic answer. Puerto Rico's lit. I'm definitely coming back here. I like the people. I like the hospitality. I like the weather. I like the culture. I had an amazing time. I like the food. I didn't miss. Everything I ordered was well seasoned. Good. I like the music. You know, definitely see this as being maybe a second home one day. You know what I mean?
Cheers to that.
Cheers to that. And cheers to a successful trip.
Yes.
You ready to go to Florida?
Yup, ready.
Yeah, let's go.